Memset. Can you code in C using memset? Do you know its use and application in C programming? In this video, I will show you how to use the library function called memset in C programming. I will break it down step by step so you can easily follow along and get a clear understanding of how it works. If you are having trouble coding with memset function in C and it's frustrating and difficult to grasp, this video will guide you through exactly what you need to do. Trust me, after watching this video, you will become better at using memset and also coding in C programming. So, let's get started. In C, memset is a library function that allows you to set a block of memory with a particular value. It is used to initialize arrays or allocate memory dynamically. In the memset function prototype, the void pointer is referred to as a generic pointer in C, which means it is a pointer that points to data or value of any data type. It could be an integer data type, char data type, or even float data type. The size _ t parameter is an unsigned integer that is used to represent the size of objects. Also, unsigned integers are numbers ranging from 0 to infinity, but in C, there is a size limit for that. Let me show you how it works in my computer. I'm going to initialize an array of int data type with a size of 5 elements, and also initialize a variable I because the value we are printing out is an integer. By calling the memset function, we make use of the array name because it's a constant pointer to the first element. Also, we are going to assign a value of 0 to be copied into the memory block. And finally, we use the size of keyword in calculating the amount of space the array takes up in bytes. I'm going to use the for loop here to print out the value assigned to the array by initializing I to 0, setting a condition for I less than 5, and finally incrementing I. And now I'm going to print out the value using the printf function. If you're wondering about how I initialized I to 0 or set up a condition less than 5, it's because array index starts from 0, and in this case, it starts from 0 and ends in 4, which makes the condition works pretty well for us. Let's look at the result of our code. And there you have it, 0. The value 0 has been assigned to the array. Memset function is not restricted to initializing arrays with 0 values alone. It can also be utilized to initialize arrays with any desired value, including characters. Let's take a look. So, in this example, I'm going to change the data type of the array to type char, and then we're going to assign a value to the array. That's basically what gets copied into the memory block. For this example, I'm going to use the character C, and let's see what happens. And let's also try changing the value to the character G. and see what that does. And lastly, let's change the character to K. I know you're surprised. It's not what you would expect, especially if you're new to this whole C programming thing. But don't worry, the intermediate or expert folks in C will totally get it. As a beginner, it's normal to get a bit confused. Let me explain how it works. The ASCII, which stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange, is a widely recognized character encoding standard that serves the purpose of representing text and control characters within computers and various communication equipment. So, in essence, in ASCII, each character is assigned a specific 7-bit binary number, ranging from 0 to 127. This binary representation corresponds to a particular character or control code. For instance, the letter C is represented by the ASCII value 99, which we got earlier in our code, G for 103, and so forth. The ASCII standard has a wide range of characters, including uppercase and lowercase letters, numerals, punctuation marks, and as well as special control characters like new line, carriage return, and tab, among others. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the content, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. See ya in the next video. Bye.